Smile. Smile. Mujimulire. Yeah. Juliano, 1, 2, 3. Smile.
We are experiencing what we call infractions.
Austin.
Tugenda kulaba house ki esinga wano nengerawo letter X Ladies and gentlemen, we are looking for the word book. Ladies and gentlemen, kampulira y'obugalo bw'abazi.
Yes, those are my boys. Boys are bringing it up. Let's go. As we remember the great children, and do not follow them up. We depend on teachers, do not follow up to the numbers and are taking on with athletics. Please.
The word is it.
So for them sound A,
Sound A, sound. The word is it. Ladies and gentlemen, we are looking for the word it. We are looking for the word it.
The other 9, the red.
Kingdom.
Yes. Yes, sir.
We are working also with
NBS.
Yes,
Ladies
sir.
and gentlemen, we're going high density.
high density.
We're going to sawa
We're
zino.
good walk.
Atenga baina. Ladies and gentlemen, we are having jerrycan feeling. Abazadde abatutta abaana banange mutuyambe. Abazadde abatutta mutuyambe. Abaana tusobole okutambula. Mr. MC, yongereza ku kyenjogedde, we are suffering.
Dear parents, abazadde bano boogera Oluzungu.
Yes, nze nkyogedde mu Luganda kize mu Luzungu.
Parents, we are requesting that if you're having a there, we give them to us. Send your children to first participate. We request that we leave the children to participate.
Yes.
Abana mubareke bakolenga bo.
Yes.
And let you be where the children are. Tubera abana gye bali tuleme goberera bali abali mu kudduka.
Yes.
MC, the officials have given me an instruction.
Yes, sir.
That activity where they say a teacher or teachers following children who are running.
Kitegerekese bulungi nnyo abasomesa temu ladies and gentlemen, bisangibwa ku Edeni waka. Kalasoti, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, Kalasoti. Ladies and gentlemen, we have had Kalasoti. Please, teachers, present the participants official. And right now, we had Kalasoti from the girl of Lunch. Abagenyi baffe abakatuuka, abagenyi abakulu, the special guests.
Abazadde tubasaba abaana abo musooke mubaleke.
Abazadde mutuyambe.
They first participate.
Item eyimiridde
abakulu batandise okungula emipiira mubalabye.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are harvesting the balls.
Households, present your children.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is ball harvesting. It is ball harvesting. Ball harvesting, ladies and gentlemen. Ball harvesting, ladies and gentlemen. Shows, give us your participants for 4 by 100 meters. If that, we are going to disqualify that item.
Meanwhile,
Yes.
as teachers of top class, also present to us the participants for the short release. Short release. Both boys and girls. The teachers of primary 12 failed us. House heads, I am not seeing your participants.
Abazadde
Parents, we do request
tusaba
nti abaana abo mubatuwe
give us back the children.
bajje badduke emisinde bakole
Let them
emizanyo
come
gyabwe.
and do their shoe pairing atandise. Atandise. Shoe pairing atandise. gwenva okulanga jangu wano wendi. Mama w'omwana gwenva okulanga jangu wano wendi. Mwana gwenva okulanga jangu wano wendi. Mama w'omwana gwenva okulanga jangu wano wendi. Mama w'omwana kuno omwana wo. Bw'anaddamu okubula ogatula. MC sebo ebyo kyotalabye. Anti munange mbadde tunula eri. Kiki ekyo? Kaneetegereze bulungi. University. Ogenda kuwulya. Short release. At the same time, tunule wala will come after short release.
Magara Ian come.
Girls is also going on.
Kato Matovu come.
Temuti enkuba tegenda kutonya.
Kato Matovu come.
Egenda kugenda ewala gye bajagala. Tetugyetaaga.
Tugume also come.
Those people that are being read.
400 by 4.
Go to 400 by 4. Rope the nest.
400 by 4 meters. Come here. Magara, you also come. I want to go there. Come.
Rope the nest. Going on. Rope the nest. Going on.
Namawojjolo.
Rope the nest.
Remember get round Namawojjolo.
Rope the nest.
Namawojjolo. Remember get round. Even the precious Nabasitu Veronica.
Rope the nest.
Boys.
Tumaliriza.
Chiwongojo. Mariamala.
Stop there.
And Nyanzi Raymond.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are having Rope the Nest with boys to Jumale Eveo. Ladies and gentlemen,
Sean, you also come.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are having boys Rope the Nest. As the shoe pairing also organized. Ladies and gentlemen, we are having from the boys. From the boys. The bulk harvesting also organized from P2 class as ball harvesting organized from P2 class.
Sebo.
Yes, Sebo.
We are about to start 400 by 4.
400 by 4.
Yes, sir.
Read a mark wherever you are.
Ladies
and gentlemen.